District Health Society Thawal, National Tobacco Control Program Thawal and District Heart Society Thawal jointly organized a program in connection with World No Tobacco Day 2024. The program was organized under the aegis of a National Health Mission and under the theme Protecting Children from Tobacco Industry Interference. Speaking in the program, which was held at Sekmai Kumbi Higher Secondary School in Nongpok, Sekmai, Thawal speakers deliberated on the harmful effects of tobacco and also its influence on young children.
Tobacco is millions of more than 7,000 people in Nigeria. Nicotine, then comes carbon monoxide, highly carcinogenic, in other formaldehyde, lead, arsenic, so many things that are the toxic with high tide. Nicotine 6 or psychotropic drugs, habit